everyone, my name is Elham and today at CJAC we're celebrating National Cupcake Day with Christmas tree cupcakes. Let's get started. Here are the following ingredients and materials you will need today. Your choice of cupcake mix, I'm using funfetti, 1 cup water, ½ cup of vegetable oil, 3 whole eggs. Your choice of frosting, I'm using fluffy white, mini M&Ms, mini ice cream cones, a green star tip frosting, your choice of decorative sprinkles, a cup of confection sugar. Our materials needed for today are your mixing bowl, spatula, whisk, and spoon, your cupcake baking cups, your baking pan and cooling rack, your disposable piping bag and round tip, your fine medium mesh strainer. All right, everyone, before starting on your cupcake mix, be sure to go ahead and preheat your oven. All right, guys, while your oven is preheating, go ahead and combine your cake mix, your 1 cup water, ½ cup of oil, and your 3 whole eggs. One cup water, ½ cup oil, and your 3 whole eggs. Now, you can substitute your eggs for a ½ cup of Greek yogurt, and if you want to substitute your oil, use a ½ cup unsweetened applesauce. Whisk everything until everything is combined. Once our mixture is nicely combined, we're going to go ahead and transfer this into our baking pan. We're going to use our baking pan and cups, and what I'm going to do is fill our cups halfway through. And the reason why we want to make sure we only fill it halfway, so that when it rises, it's not going to overflow. So once you've filled your cups halfway through, go ahead and give it a little bit of a tap to release all the air bubbles, and then place it in the oven in the middle rack for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once your cupcakes have cooled off, we're going to go ahead and start our decorative process. The first thing you're going to do is fill up your disposable piping bag with your white frosting. So I'm going to go ahead and add my round tip inside the bag, like so. And we're going to go ahead and fill up the bag with our white frosting. And just grab your frosting and add it to your bag. Wonderful. Okay, so once you've filled up your bag with your frosting, just go ahead and knead it down. Cut the tip off from there. Okay. And just knead that through. And what I'm going to do is fill my cupcakes with the white frosting to create that snow-like effect. Start with this. Alright, and what we're going to do is use our spatula right here to just spread it. Now you could make it smooth or a little bit more textured if you want to give it that snow-like look. It does not have to be perfect because we're going to add the miniature cones right after this. Once you've frosted all your cupcakes, we're going to go ahead and start with our mini M&Ms and our cones. So what I'd like to do is just add a few M&Ms inside the cone and then place it on top, and we'll start to begin to decorate our tree. So grab a spoon or a teaspoon if you'd like. Grab a little bit of M&Ms here and just start filling your cone with that. You don't have to use a lot. You can do it halfway if you'd like. And what I'd like to do is just flip it upside down, stick it like that. That way all of our M&Ms stick to our frosting. Once you set all your cones into your cupcakes, we're gonna go ahead and start decorating our tree. I'm gonna use our green frosting, star tip, and create our branches on our tree. So, what you would like to do is when you create your tree branches, push in and then out. So you're gonna create that like branch-like look. So, like so. And you just keep on going for the entire tree. Okay, so once you're done creating your tree out of the green frosting, you could add in a little bit of decorative sugar to give it a nice little topping. So I like to use the pearls just because it looks like a little bit of the ornament ball on the tree. Just like that. And you don't have to add it to the entire tree, just a couple here and there is perfect. You could even throw it at it. Now, for the fun part, last but not least, we're gonna use our confection sugar. So just add a bit of confection sugar in your fine mesh. I don't know if you want to get a close up on the tree for this one. Okay, and go surround your tree. And there you have it, guys. For National Cupcake Day, we've created Christmas tree cupcakes. Join us tomorrow for National Chocolate Covered Everything Day. And be sure to follow our Central Jersey Arts Council on our Facebook, Instagram, and our new YouTube channel. Bye, everyone.